capacity of infrastructure and manpower, security issues of the customer's environment, business continuity and disaster recovery, to name a few. So we now look at a question: does business actually need IT? The answer we all know: yes. A manual process control is not viable. Gone are the days when in a large manufacturing company there used to be 70 to 100 people calculating the payroll. The work used to start somewhere around 20th of the month and end by 7th of the next month. That is an effort of 75 to 100 people for more than 15 days. Today, the same work is delivered by 3 to 5 people in a matter of 1 to 2 days. Information technology, therefore, is a force multiplier, a small concept from defense, which basically is capability enhancing. I shall quickly discuss a small environment of force multiplication. Explaining the scenario, in an army situation of an attack, the enemy actually plans an attack to the defender. This battle is fought between the last light of a particular day to the first light of the next day. And this battle is basically fought at the surprise element between the attacking enemy commander and the defending enemy commander. In any attack, the attack forces are always 3 times the defense force, and all lines of attack will always make a headway. For the defending enemy commander, it is very critical to understand which is the main thrust line and which is fake. The defending enemy commander, this attack would start sometime at evening 6, 7 in the last light, and by around 12:31, the defending enemy commander needs to deploy Hello? Hello?
Hello, Mr. Bose. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Your voice is not coming.
Is it coming now?
Yeah, it's coming now.
Yes, please. Apologies. I think I could see a network connection break.
Okay. You can continue.
Yes, please. Thank you. So for the defending commander, now it becomes important to delay his decision. When these troops are positioned behind, they either walk or are on land transport. Therefore, they are deployed by a time, say, 1 o'clock. In place, these troops are held much behind. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Bose. Yes, Mr. Bose. Yeah, you're completely audible.
In case these troops are held behind and moved by helicopter, the defending commander can delay the move up to 1-2 hours, thereby giving him critical time to ascertain which is the thrust line. What happens here, it's a concept. With the same troops, helicopter acts as the force multiplier. It enhances the defending commander's force to deliver. Similarly, in business, as I was explaining to you, IT is the force multiplier. For IT, there are challenges, like in defense, whether it's a helicopter downtime. In IT, it is uptime, bandwidth, etc., which are critical customer requirements. Today, if you talk to any